Hello, I'm Kirby Moore. I'm an oil water separator engineer with Moore Separations Research in Lewisville, Texas. I'm here today to talk to you about oil water separation for vehicle maintenance and service stations. These systems can be either above ground or below ground systems. They work for automotive and truck maintenance facilities, for railroad maintenance, for airport systems, bus and transit maintenance, and for service stations. Here's a couple of vehicle maintenance facilities systems that are for a rail facility in BC Southern Rail in a Vancouver suburb. The one on the left is a replacement for an existing unit that had been manufactured by another company, and we put our plate media in there and it plugged unreasonably and was difficult to maintain. The previous media had been impossible to maintain. So we built the frame on the right, which is a stainless frame and can be pulled out of the unit completely and easily, and then the solids can be removed from it. The black plates in the top are UV protected because they stick out of the water level just a little bit. Another couple of vehicle maintenance facilities, these are above ground maintenance systems. The one on the left is an MSR 33 separator that's installed at the maintenance facility at Yukon Zinc in the Yukon. They wanted an above ground system indoors because it gets so cold there. The one on the right is an MSR 11, a plastic separator, and that was used by the Canadian Forces at the Winter Olympics. Service stations. The one on the left here is the Campbell River, BC service station. It's actually a Husky station, and it's really oversized for the application because they wanted to do a really good job of making sure they got all of the oil removed. In the background there you can see Johnson Strait, and the Campbell River people believe that they're the salmon capital of the world, so they want to make sure that they keep the oil out of the water going into their salmon fishery. The one on the right is a small system that's used at a gas bar. This is a standard Canadian automated service station. This is a typical diagram of what a parking lot stormwater processing system, as would be used at a service station, is like. The oil is processed through the separator plates, and the water passes through after being cleaned, and the oil collects on the surface. Benefits of coalescing plate systems: they are gravity operated, they are high efficiency, and have predictable oil removal. We can design for whatever the maximum effluent is allowed. Usually that's 15 milligrams per liter in the US, sometimes 10 in certain jurisdictions. They're much smaller than API separators. The plates are not consumed. They last for years. We don't really know how long they do last, but we recently replaced some at a Navy facility in Washington State that had been in service almost 30 years. And the recovered oil is recyclable. Thank you for listening, and check our other videos.